What's going on, traders? We're going to jump right into the top stock picks of the week. Number one is SPY. By the way, we are on the daily chart time frame. The stock's been making higher highs with the exception of this candle here and higher lows. So who are we to step in front of this trend and stop it? I think that the smartest thing to do is to look for higher highs going into this week. So SPY is going to be a long idea above $537. Now there is a gap to be filled up here around 549 all the way up to 555 roughly. So we will be looking for, if we get the move higher, we will be looking for this gap to start to fill on the daily above 549. But first things first, the stock's got to trade there for us to even take that trade. One step at a time, long idea to begin with above 537. Number two on the watch list is Apple. Now, over the weekend, there was some news that came out. Chip stocks, as well as a lot of products from Apple, are going to be exempt from the tariffs on China. This is huge news, because the only reason why Apple is trading down in the first place is because of these tariffs. So now that a lot of Apple's products are exempt, they have a lot of overseas distribution centers, I would expect this to be something that causes Apple to gap up. Regardless of that news, Apple still has a really great technical setup. So on the daily, it's trading just under the $200 hold number. Above that, there's a gap to be filled from about 207 all the way up to highs of 220. Massive gap here. So even if Apple doesn't gap up, I'm looking to take it long above 200. But in the event that it does gap up, which I'm assuming it will, long idea above 207, 208 area with a price target probably of 220 in mind. Along with that, like I said, chips also put on that list of things that are to be exempt from these tariffs. Chip stocks, AMD and NVIDIA, both going to be on the focus list this week. I'm looking for AMD to get back above the $100 hold number. It'll be a long idea above 100. NVIDIA is going to be a little bit different. I'm just going to be looking for higher highs out of this above the recent high, which is going to be a long idea above $115. We could also throw SMCI into this category as well. This is a little bit different of a setup. You do have a bull pennant on the daily, but because it's a bull pennant doesn't mean that it has to break out. It could potentially break down. We have higher lows, lower highs, all converging to a singular point. So we just look for either higher highs or lower lows to give us direction on this name out of this bull pennant pattern. And the plan here will be to trade the trend. Yes, I am saying this can go up or this can go down. I'm not a future teller. I don't have my crystal ball. I don't know where this is going to go. But we can make a plan that if it creates higher highs, we can go long above 34.5. Or if it creates lower lows, we can go short on this under 32. So trade the trend. Before I get to the last one, I do want to remind you that the $1,000 account challenge continues this week. You haven't missed it. Start at any time with any amount of money. I am trading live during the entire duration of this challenge to give you everything: my entry price, my exit price, my reasoning for taking the entries. I'm giving you the breakdown of these trades before they happen, and I'm giving you the breakdown of these trades after they happen in these YouTube videos that I've been posting. So if you'd like to follow along verbatim with my trades, come join the Discord server. The link is going to be in the description of this video. Join the WAP. That's going to give you access to the Discord server. And from there, come trade live with us every day. I would love to see you on the inside. Honestly, my system and strategy may be what you need to take you from the trader that you are to the trader that you want to be. And right now, we're up about 20% in the account since the start of this challenge. If I were to offer you a free $200, I think that you would probably take it. So why not come join the challenge and let me help you make some money? It's something to think about. Up next on the watch list is going to be Google. Now you're going to see this set up all over the place. It's going to be this series of higher lows, higher highs on the daily. But what separates Google from a lot of the other setups out there that look really similar to this is that Google has a very clear defined area of resistance that's going to be up here near $160. In addition, Google is not trading far off from 160 at all. Therefore, I do think that if we see the continuation move higher on pretty much everything, that Google presents us with one of the best opportunities out there, given that it's trading so close to the resistance. So I'm looking to take Google long above 160, maybe with a price target of the lower 50 EMA in mind of around 166 to 167. All right, that's all that I have for you as far as the watch list goes and the focus list goes. So I do hope that this video has helped you out. Looking forward to trading with everybody this week, and I will see you on the inside. Take care, enjoy your Sunday, and get ready to go make some money. Cheers.